Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
In nature, no two clouds are identical. Their formation, chaotic, atmospheric, perpetually shifting, defies repetition. Photoshop's Render Clouds filter mirrors this mathematical unpredictability. Create a new layer. Set your foreground to deep indigo, background to black. Go to Filter, Render, Clouds. Photoshop generates a soft nebula-like turbulence from those two colors, procedurally, uniquely, never the same twice. Set this cloud layer's blend mode to screen over a portrait, and you have a mystical, smoke-filled atmosphere rising around your subject. Use difference clouds repeatedly on the same layer to build increasingly complex, fractal-like storm textures. Pure atmospheric drama, generated entirely from mathematics.